Hello, 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 tiny tots. Hi, friends. Today we'll be learning all about the alphabet together. Let's get learning. This block has the letter A. This block has the letter A. Can you say A? A. A on. The A went on the truck. Baby, baby, what do you see? I see an alligator looking at me. The word alligator starts with the letter A. A for alligator. A for alligator. A says ah. Can you make the letter A sound? Ah. A says ah. A says ah. Good job. Baby, baby, what do you see? I see an apple tree looking at me. Apple starts with the letter A. Apples. I see apples on a tree. Apples. Apples grow on trees. An apple is a fruit. The word apple starts with the letter A. Let's learn the ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? This block has the letter B. This block has the letter B. Let's put the letter B on the truck. B on. What sound does the letter B make? Can you guess? Yes, the letter B makes the sound B. The letter B makes the sound B. B. B says B. Good job. B for bear. B for bear. B for bear. Can you think of other words that start with the letter B? Yes, good job. B for balloon. B for bubbles. B for boat. Can you think of more words that start with the letter B? Wow, you were so smart. One little blue fish swimming in the water. One little blue fish swimming in the water. One little blue fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Two little yellow fish swimming in the water. Two little yellow fish swimming in the water. Two little yellow fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Three little green fish swimming in the water. Three little green fish swimming in the water. Three little green fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Four little pink fish swimming in the water. Four little pink fish swimming in the water. Four little pink fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Five little red fish swimming in the water. Five little red fish swimming in the water. Five little red fish swimming in the water. Bubble, 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 pop. Bubble, 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 pop. Pop, pop, pop. Popping bubbles. This block has the letter C. This block has the letter C. C on. What letter is on the yellow block? Yes, the letter C is on the yellow block. C. Let's say the letters on the truck. A, B, C. Let's say the letters again. A, B, C. Let's sing the ABCs. C for camel. C for camel. What sound does the letter C make? C makes the sound K. 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 Can you make the letter C sound? K. I can hear you. K. Good job. This is the letter D. This is the letter D. The letter D makes the sound D. Can you make the letter D sound? D. D says D. D on. The letter D went on the truck. D says D. D. Good job. D for duck. D for duck. What sound does a duck make? Do you know? A duck says quack, 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 quack. Can you pretend to be a duck? Quack, 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 quack. D for duck. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little ducks, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little ducks, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little ducks, 10 little ducks. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little ducks, 4 little, 5 little, 6 little ducks, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little ducks, 10 little ducks. There are 10 ducks. This block has the letter E. E. This block has the letter E. E on the truck. The letter E went on the truck. Did you hear that? It sounds like an elephant. Elephant. The word elephant starts with the letter E. E for elephant. E for elephant. Let's pretend to be elephants together. E for elephant.
Stomp like an elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. Can you stomp like an elephant? Let's stomp again. Stomp like an elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp.
F. F. This block has the letter F. Let's put the letter F on the truck. The letter F went on the truck. What sound does the letter F make? Can you make the letter F sound? F for fox. F for fox. F for fox. This is the letter G. This is the letter G. Let's put the letter G on the truck. G on. Good job. G for goose. G for goose. What sound does the letter G make? The letter G makes the sound G. Let's say the letters on the truck. D, E, F, G. Let's say the letters again. D, E, F, G. This block has the letter H. This block has the letter H. Let's put the letter H on the truck. On. What sound does the letter H make? Yes, the letter H says H. The letter H says H. Can you make the letter H sound? I can't hear you. H says H. Good job. H for hippo. H for hippo. H for hippo.
I see real hippos. Hippopotamus.
I. This is the letter I. Let's put the letter I on the truck. On. I for iguana. I for uh-oh. It fell down. Let's put it again. I for iguana. This block has the letter J. This block has the letter J. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. J for jellyfish. What sound does the letter J make? Yes, the letter J makes the sound D. The letter J makes the sound D. J for jellyfish. This is the letter K. 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 This is the letter K. The letter K makes the sound K. The letter K makes the sound K. K for kangaroo. K for kangaroo.
I see kangaroos. I see a mama kangaroo and a baby kangaroo. A baby kangaroo is called a joey.
This block has the letter ow. 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 The letter ow makes the sound The letter L makes the sound Can you make the letter L sound? L for lion. L for lion. I see lions. I see lions. On the count of 3, let's roar like lions. 1, 2, 3. Roar. Can you roar like a lion? Roar.
Shh. The lion is sleeping. The lion is sleeping. Did you know lions can sleep for up to 20 hours? Let's count to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Meow.
Did you hear that?
Meow.
It sounds like a cat. It sounds like a cat. Meow, 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 meow. Let's use blocks to spell the word cat. C A T. The word cat spells C A T. Do you remember what sound the letter C makes? Yes, the letter C makes the sound K. And the letter A makes the sound A. And the letter T makes the sound T. I have an idea. Let's say the letter sound instead of saying the letters. Let's start. K, A, T. Let's sound the letters again. K, A, T. K, A, T. K, A, T. Now let's blend the letter sounds together. K, at, k, at, k, at, cat, k, at, cat. We just read a word. We read the word cat. We read the word cat. Yay! This block has the letter M. This block has the letter M. Let's put the letter M on the truck. On. What sound does the letter M make? Yes, it says mmm. Mmm. The letter M makes the sound mmm. Good job. M for mouse. M for mouse.
Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock, hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one, the mouse ran down. Hickory
N. This block has the letter N. N for novel. N for novel. The letter N makes the sound The letter N makes the sound Can you make the letter N sound? Good job. This block has the letter O. This block has the letter O. Let's put the letter O on the track. On. Good job. O for owl. O for owl. What sound does an owl make? An owl goes hoot, 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 hoot. Let's say the letters on the track. L, M, N, O. L, M, N, O. Good job. This block has the letter P. This block has the letter P. P on. P for panda. P for panda. P says P. P says P. Can you make the letter P sound? P. P says P. This block has the letter Q. This block has the letter Q. Q on. The letter Q makes the sound Q. Q for quail. Q for quail. This block has the letter R. This block has the letter R. Let's put letter R on the track. R on. R on. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. The letter R makes the sound R. Can you make that sound? R. R says R. Good job. This block has the letter S. This block has the letter S. S on. S for sheep. S for sheep. Sheep. Bah. Bah. Can you pretend to be a sheep? Ba, ba, ba. My first 100 animals. Let's say the animals together. Farm animals. Let's learn about farm animals. What's this animal? It's a sheep. Sheep. Sheep says ba, ba. What's this animal? It's a chicken. This is a chicken. A chicken clucks. A chicken clucks. What's this animal? It's a pig. Pig. A pig oinks. A pig says pig. What's this animal? It's a horse. Horse. A horse neighs. Neigh, neigh. What's this animal? It's a cow. A cow moos. Moo, moo. Cow. What's this animal? It's a duck. Duck. A duck quacks. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Quack, quack. Duck. What's this animal? Is it a horse? No. No, no, no. This is a donkey. Donkey. This is a donkey. What's this animal? It's a goat. 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 Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. A real cow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there, here a ba, there a ba, everywhere ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. I see real sheeps. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a chicken, E-I-E-I-O. With a clack, clack here and a clack, clack there, here a clack, there a clack, everywhere clack, clack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Look, real chickens. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O.
with an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Look, Piglet. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. A real dog. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Let's say the letters on the track. P, Q, R, S. P, Q, R, S. This block has the letter U. This block has the letter U. Let's put the letter U on the track. U on. Good job. U for unicorn. Uh-oh. U, oopsie. It fell down. Let's pick it up. U for unicorn. U for unicorn.
Point to the letter W. Yes, the first one is the letter W. Point to the letter D. Yes, the second one is the letter D. Point to the letter A. Yes, the first one is the letter A. Point to the letter E. Yes, the third one is the letter E.
V. V. This block has the letter V. The letter V makes the sound V. The letter V makes the sound V. Let's put the letter V on the track. On. V for vulture. V for vulture. W. This block has the letter W. W on. W for walrus. W for walrus. The letter W makes the sound W. The letter W makes the sound W. Good job. T, U, V, W. X. X. This block has the letter X. X. On. X says X. Can you see that? X says X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Y. This block has the letter Y. The letter Y says Y. The letter Y says Y. The letter Y says Y. Good job. Y for a yak. Y for a yak. And what's the last letter? Yes. Z. The last letter is Z. Z on. Z for Z for zebra. Z for zebra.